In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit desktop and mobile separately in Squarespace with CSS. By the end, you'll know exactly where to add your CSS, how to preview changes on different device sizes, and how to work in the editor from a phone if you're on the go. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and landing on your account page. From there, click Dashboard to see your sites, then choose Go to Website for the site you want to edit. This opens the site's editor. In the left sidebar, click Website to expand the main tools. Next, head into Pages so you have a page open as a live preview while you style. Any page will work. Pick one with the elements you plan to adjust so you can immediately see results. Now go to Custom Code and then choose Custom CSS. Squarespace will display a notice explaining that custom code can affect site functionality or compatibility. This is normal. It's just reminding you to use CSS thoughtfully and test your changes. If you want more context, you can open the Learn More link, then return to the editor. When you're ready, click into the code box so you can start typing. Here's the core idea. You'll write CSS that targets mobile and desktop separately using media queries. A mobile query generally applies styles up to a certain width, while a desktop query applies at or above a certain width. For example, you might decide that everything at 640 or 768 pixels and below is mobile, and anything above that is desktop. The exact breakpoint is up to your design, but be consistent so your layout behaves predictably. With the cursor in the code box, think about what you want to change. A common example is the announcement bar. You can use the built-in selector helper to grab a class like the header announcement bar wrapper. Select that, and then write your mobile-only rules inside your mobile media query. Maybe you reduce padding or font size on small screens so it fits neatly. Then, in your desktop media query, you can increase padding, adjust alignment, or tweak colors to suit larger displays. The same approach works for headings, buttons, image blocks, and spacing. Set one rule for mobile, a different one for desktop. As you write, keep your CSS organized. Add brief comments to label your mobile and desktop sections, and group related elements together. If something doesn't seem to apply, double-check the selector and whether another style is overriding it. Pseudo classes and more specific selectors may be needed if default theme rules are strong. When you're happy with your changes, click Save. Then use the back arrow to return to the previous panel. Head to Pages again so you can continue previewing your site structure if needed. To confirm your CSS behaves correctly, use the preview toggles, switch to mobile view to see your mobile styles in action, and then switch back to desktop view to verify the desktop styles. Take a moment to scroll and check a few different pages, especially ones with different sections or blocks that might render differently. If you need to reach the custom CSS editor from your phone, you have two options. In a mobile browser, log into your Squarespace account, open your site, and enter the editor. From the main menu, navigate to Website Tools, open Custom Code, and select Custom CSS, just like on desktop. Alternatively, if you're using the official Squarespace app, open your site, access the Settings or Website Tools menu, and locate Custom CSS there. Paste or edit your styles, save, and use the built-in device preview to confirm mobile changes, then switch to desktop preview to ensure everything still looks great on larger screens. That's it. You accessed your site, opened custom CSS, added mobile and desktop rules, saved, and verified with the device preview toggles. Keep testing across a couple of real devices when possible, and refine your breakpoints until your design feels perfect on every screen.